Mario, you can't see the ground, so you're good.
That's what I keep telling myself.
Fiery hands. I've lost one camera.
Okay. Over here to the left hand side, we are going to have the view of the park. As soon as we reach to that tree right there, that is the trumpet tree, the one with the big leaves. Okay, if you will look way out, you can see the park. You will have to stand up in order to see it. You see, one can see a little part from here, but down there is the best view. They're way out. Yeah, I will tell you today. It's right down by the sandbox tree, the huge tree that we have in front. That sound that we hear right now is the cicada. We are, yeah, they live from 13 to 17 years, like an infant, in 1 month after the stage is complete.
You need a gardener.
This is very sandbox. These vines are very slow growing vines. This sandbox tree has that. That if it's up in your eyes, you can go completely.
Wow.
That was Julia de Gato. It's a medicinal plant. They use it for cancer and a lot of different things. Okay, the ones to my right hand side, they can start looking way out and they can see the forest.
Bad, thanks. Don't say that too loud, Mario's here. And no one has volume.
Here on the other side, you can see that it's really steep. So,
Yeah.
a lot of plants that can survive in these kinds of dirt is the sandbox tree, for example, the cedro wood. The cedro is red hardwood. But the sandbox have the record in these parts of steep ground. So in another 50 years, it will be a primary forest.
Do animals come up this close or no?
Yeah, sure. That plant that you see over there with the white plant, exactly, what they use for the salad.
Humans in the trees. Monkeys.
Where do you get the heart upon the what we eat?
Okay, I will soon show you a close from a plant really close.
Is it like the
It's the
actual
center
tree?
part. Okay, you see that this heart upon right there? Okay, if you will come from the green part of and each step has a wood. There you have the mahogany tree, the red and brown bark. Once you cut the heart of palm, it's just like any other pepper tree or palm tree. Once you cut it, it dies. So it's prohibited here. 3,000, 4,000 acres of just that. Look at that sandbox tree with the parasite plant. The parasite vine. Okay. That it grows just. You see the difference of the leaves. That grow in the first period of his life. It's just a skinny vine that grow on the tree. When it touched the dirt, it get really huge, and after the years, it grow on top of the tree like another huge tree, and choke that tree completely.
That's sad.
They go away really fast. You hear?
Yes.
Oh,
Howling monkey. Here, monkey, monkey, monkey. Here you have the balsa. See? This is balsa plant. that was a spider had his nest covered by a leaf. You see that with the white vines is the same family of the peppermint. Look at the bird of paradise, the red flower. Here you see it look like banana plants, but they are not banana plants. Not edible banana plants.
Not edible.
Edible banana plants grow in secondary rice. Sorry? That with those leaves. With the big leaves you're talking about, or the one that is in Spanish they call it soforillo, the same family of the camponcillo or firewood. Okay, everyone take a seat for me, please.
Yeah. Huh? No. Oh, yeah. Okay, nice pool.